Hello guys, so today I will be showing you how to whittle a stick, which is carving or sharpening, and how to take care of a knife and proper and just safety with the knife. So first of all, you do this. You open it without your fingers getting cut. And then you close it without your fingers going like that. You close it like that. Okay? Okay, now to start. Here are rules. Never run with the knife. Never run with the knife open. Never leave a knife open. Like just out in the open. Never leave a knife open. And always have supervision when you don't have the trust of handling a knife by yourself. Don't play around with knives. Oh, and when you carve, don't carve towards you. Always out. Like, always out. So yeah, let's get started. So here is my stick that I'm gonna whittle. And you just do this. You slide it like that, forward and forward. Just keep going until you think it's sharp enough for you. Okay, and I'll be right done with that. When I'm done with that, I'll show you, okay? So let's get started. Keep sharpening. Keep doing it until you feel comfortable with how sharp it is. That was pretty amazing. Also, I did it really quick because I'm a pro. I've been doing this for a long time. See? Take your time. You can pause the video. This is a good activity for you. And that's all I have today. Remember those safety rules I told you. Okay? So that's all I have today. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time.